Hi guys, this is Joby. Welcome to JMix channel. And ang araw ngayon ay Sunday at ang content ko ngayon is mag-open ako ng Yankee candle box. Bali Woodwick siya. And nakuha ko siya ng on sale. Parang clearance sale siya. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng 15% off. So ayun, kumuha ako ng madami. Bali ang hilig ko ngayon talaga is kandila, yung mga scented candles. Kasi, yung house namin, pag nagluluto ka, ano siya, kulong kasi yung bahay. So, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na pwede mong buksan yung bintana, ganun. Dito nakakulong yung ano niya, kaya pag nagluluto, mas maganda na magbubukas ng kandila after. Para yung amoy ba ng niluto, hindi masyadong kumakalat sa buong bahay. Kaya ayun guys, mag-unboxing ako ng mga scented candles. So, bakita ko sa inyo. Bali nauna yung isa eh. May naunang dumating. This one comes first. So, yung clearance niya is limited. So, not all scent are on clearance. So, halos magkakapareho yung mga order ko. So, this one, this is the one that first delivered. It's forest honey. Yan, natural essential oils daw yung halo niya. So, maarte ako sa kandila. Ayan, okay naman siya. Mahilig ako sa, I really like, fruity smell candles, but since it's from Yankee's company, so it's fine. Think it will be good. And just few months ago I also ordered scented candles from, what company is it? I think Goose Geek company. Yeah, but compared to Bath and Body Works and Yankees, it's easy. They are easy to get to burn. Like, ang mabilis siyang matunaw. Nagtatry ako mag-English kasi may mga nanonood na kamag-anak ng asawa ko. Mas maraming nanonood sa side ng asawa ko kaysa sa Pilipinas. So, this is the package. So, this is the package that was delivered today. Yan, Woodwick from Yankee Candle. And, ayan, tatlong box siya. So, one is like 6 pounds. One is like, I think, 7. The other one is almost 5 pounds. Yan. Oh, so yan, bubuksan na muna natin ang mga kandila. Maingay ang mga bata. Hindi ko na ipapakita kasi bunting to. Huwag kayong maingay. Unahin natin tong malaking box. Just let him play the toy. Just let him play, okay? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. No crying. Just let him play, kuya, please. Nag-aaway sila ngayon. Naiinis ako. Okay, can you play this? Ito naman is Sheer Jasmine. Mabango naman siya. You want to smell this? You want to try the smell? Smell. Is it smell good? Smell. Smell good? Is it smell good? Yeah? That's Sheer Jasmine na malalaki. Kasi Kailangan namin dito. Saka mahal kasi yung mga kandila. Tapos ito. What's that? What's that? Oh, that's nice. Is it smell good? You put the, ano ha? You put the top ha? This is, what's that? Celery sage. And smell natin to. Okay lang. Pang ano siya? Pang sala. Malaki siya. So, this is like, oo, in-open. Hindi na natin kailangan yung open. 14.9 ounce. Oh, careful, careful! Open daw niya. So, susunod ay ibang scent to. Ha? Smell? Oh, bango nga ah. Oh, yeah. Anong smell niya? Mabango ba? Smell good? This is red ginger. Just a moment. I'm gonna show the camera. Red ginger. Huh? It open?
Yeah.
That's red ginger. No, you don't have to open it. You have to put back the lid. It smell good. I think it's much better.
Oh, I have to put that all down.
Oh, yeah. I think. Sabi ng ganun. Tapos, susunod tong isa. Ito mas madami yata to. Or pare, isa lang yung resibo. Ito naman ay mga yan o, para siyang merong tray ng itlog. Para, 4 na piraso naman to. 4 pieces.
Wow!
You have to put back the lid. Oh, another sheer jasmine. Sabi ko sa'yo, ano lang, pili lang yung scent. Is 1 week lang to, 1 week. Oh, you like it? Smell daw niya. You like the smell? Is it good? Is it good? Smell good? So, another sheer jasmine. Inaamoy, parang naamoy, baka magkaiba yung ano. Is it good? Hindi ko lang kapakita yung mga bata kasi mga naiinitan sila kaya naka-ano lang. Naka-t-shirt lang tapos yung pababa nila yung panloob lang. Sheer jasmine din. Sinusure ko lang na may amoy lahat. So, 4 na sheer jasmine. Ay, 3 sheer jasmine pala to. Tapos ito, red ginger. Mabango pala yung red ginger. Akala ko hindi siya mabango. Sana pala dinamihan ko to. Red ginger. So, we have the other stuff. Is it good?
Yeah. I'm open that one.
You open that one. You have to put back the lid ha. So, para ano siya, maganda siya, hindi siya nasira. So, 9 pala na mga ganito. Ang mga maliliit, tas 3 ng malalaki. So, 10 ounce, 9. Alam ko 9 pieces kasama yung una. Sheer jasmine again. Mas gusto ko yung red ginger kesa sa sheer jasmine. Is it good? Oh, you have to put back the lid. Ibalik nyo na. Oh, sheer jasmine na naman. Ang dami ko kinuhang sheer jasmine. Parang hindi ko trip yung... Oh! Another. Oh, ito. Iba to. Rosewood fig. Nag-iisa lang siya. Pero parang... Ay, sobrang oily niya, oh. Kasi may ganito siya, may moist. Paano ba pakita? Paano ba ipakita to? May moist. May moist siya. Ayun, oh. Super oily. Don't open this, anak. Pero okay siya. Pwede sa banyo kasi amoy soapy. You smell?
Yeah.
So, 2 rosewood fig. Tingnan natin kung, oo nga. Ano siya? May pagka super oily. Parang ang dami ng essential oil na nilagay. Yan. So, umorder ako ng siyam pala yung ganito. 10 ounce, tsaka 3 nung malalaki. Sana pala dinamihan ko yung malalaki. Kasi parang 2 piso lang yung diferensya. Naka-sale kasi. No, I think that's all we have. You gonna play? No, you can't play. That's ano. That's trash. You cannot play that. This one, all this candle will have to put it inside the thing.
I'm out too. Ooh. Wow. I'm mommy.
We have to close this and
Oh, no.
gaganito tayo ng pipicturan ko. Nanginginig pa yung kamay. Kitang-kita yung puti kong buhok. Puti ba to? Ay, hindi. Dahil lang sa liwanag. Kala ko puti yung buhok. Ayan, nilaro na nila. Imbis na itatabi, nilaro. So, yan guys, ang ating Yankees candle na ang tawag dito? Unboxing. So, that's our video for today. And hindi na ako makakapag-vlog ng madami pa dahil merong mga ay! Hala! Ginawa Lego nung isa. Nagalit na. Okay, sige. Please like and subscribe. Say please like, please subscribe. Bye. I love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.